What is your name and how old are you?
Hi, I'm Queenie. I'm 24.
Queenie, five signs a Filipina is truly deeply in love with you.
Five signs. I think if she adjusts her time zone with you, and number two is if she introduces you to her family. The third one, if she updates you and cooks Filipino food like that. And the third is if she posts you on social media, I think something. Like that's a five. Okay.
Okay. Are those signs from your personal experience?
Not yet. Not yet, not a personal experience, but I have friends that, yeah,
Had partners.
yes, that have foreign partners. Yes.
What's a stronger sign of love? Introducing him to family or protecting him from family drama?
I think it's both.
You have to. I mean,
I only had to pick one. I think it's introducing him or her to their partner's family because family is a big cultural thing here in the Philippines. So if she includes you to that aspect of her life, I think that's really a big sign that she wants you to be part of that and be a family. Yeah.
how can a foreigner accidentally push away a Filipina who genuinely loves him?
I think if he is or they are being disrespectful of their culture, if they don't take the time to really learn where she came from, I think that's a big no. Yeah.
Can you give us an example, at least one example of disrespecting our culture?
I think it's, for example, I think comparing their what do you call it? Napapabikol na ako.
Okay, her English is done, is finished.
Wait, I'm thinking of like the proper term. That's why. Mm, I think one. Can you repeat the question? I think one of the things is like if he becomes a bit disrespectful on the way he communicates things with her. For example, if since there's a language barrier, right? If you are not sensitive to your words or how you communicate those things, I think that can be one of the things that accidentally pushes away that someone. Yeah.
Do you think a lot of Filipinos are very sensitive?
I think it depends on the person. I don't think it's like a Filipino thing exclusively. So I think you really need to know your partner, regardless of where they came from, to really make sure if you guys work well as a partner or not.
How about you? Do you consider yourself like someone who is sensitive?
Um, I think depending on the topic, I can be sensitive if it's something like very personal to me. I think I can be sensitive in a sense. Yeah.
What's the first sign a Filipina is falling in love but doesn't want to admit it yet?
Over. um. Oh, oh my gosh! I've never been in this situation before, so I don't know if what's sign if she's but she doesn't want to admit. Mm, I think if she's like really messaging you, like let's just circle back to the first five answers that I said earlier. So I think if she's doing all of those things without directly saying that I love you or I want you in my life, I think that's a big sign. Yeah.
How does a Filipina react when another woman flirts with the man she loves?
Ate, parang pang six question.
And then, that's the fun. The last question.
Nagpipilang ako.
How does a Filipina react when another woman flirts with the man she loves?
I don't know. I don't think I the emotion you mean how would a Filipino I think it always depends, but I think Filipinos are like very protective of what what they own. So if you know that I think the foreigner should consider that if he knows he's already in a relationship, he has to set that boundaries and not wait for Filipinos reaction before doing something. Yeah. So I think that would depend on the foreigner's reaction to that situation itself rather than the Filipina reacting out of jealousy or something else. Ala, dumaan tatay ko ba? May tatay ko yun. Tatay ko yun.
She said her father, he was her father.
Sorry.
Okay, she saw her father. Okay, so you are 24 years old, right?
Yes.
Okay, no boyfriend since birth.
Yes, no boyfriend since birth.
But have you ever had like a crush?
Crush, yes, in elementary.
Okay, so let's say you had a crush, right?
Yes.
And then there's someone like a girl tried to flirt with your crush. Oh, how would you react?
I think I will be jealous, but I will not like address that person directly that when they're flirting because it's just a crush. So yeah, I won't be very aggressive about it.
24 years old, no boyfriend since birth, still in school?
No, I already graduated last year.
Okay, so you're working.
Yes, I'm working.
May we know what is your job if it's okay?
I'm a call center agent. Yes, BPO.
That's why your English is good. Fluent. You're welcome.
It's the training. Yes.
What is your name and how old are you?
I am Norielyn and 20 years old.
Norielyn, 5 signs a Filipina is truly, deeply in love with you.
First is when she give you a quality time. Second, and effort. Third is when she huh, when her eyes is sparkling in you. When she's in love. Fourth is wait lang ate.
It's okay. Don't worry. Take your time. She's getting nervous. Okay. Fourth is
When she always beside you. Fifth is when she help you in your problems and um something that you need, that is.
okay. Are those signs from your personal experience?
Yes. That's why, yeah.
So your eyes goes like sparkling when you see the love of your life.
Yeah.
What's a stronger sign of love? First, introducing him to family or protecting him from family drama?
For me is protecting him for family drama. Because you're gonna see if him is truly love you when he when he truly protect you in your family drama.
Okay. So he'll feel like safe, peace of mind, he'll have peace of mind.
Yeah.
How can a foreigner accidentally push away a Filipina who genuinely loves him?
I think when he is lying, yeah, that's the reason for pushing her away.
Okay. How about you personally? What is something that would push you away from someone you love?
For me, when I know the real reason and he's still lying, yun.
So being liar or lying is something that you don't like, right?
Yeah.
That's gonna like that's a big no.
Yeah, it's a big no.
Okay. Now, what's the first sign a Filipina is falling in love but doesn't want to admit it yet?
When when she give time for like call, talking, and of course quality time in person.
So basically, she's always there for him.
Yes.
Okay. Call, video calls, like messages like those. Okay. How does a Filipina react when another woman flirts with the man she loves?
I think um the normal react of Filipina is of course being mad and Uh, what else? I think is she going away.
So she's gonna leave him.
I think.
Okay. Let me put you in the situation. Let's say you saw your partner and then there's a woman flirting with your partner. What would you do? The first thing that you will do.
Of course, I'm going to talk to him about that, and I'm gonna leave. That's
You're not gonna go and then tell him what's going on. Who is she? No, not nothing like that.
no. I'm
I
gonna
thought
leave.
I thought you're gonna be like, okay, you're gonna approach him and grab her hair or do anything or slap her, something like that. You're not gonna do that.
No.
Oh, very kind. Very kind. So 20 years old, right?
Yes.
You're still in college.
Yeah.
What are you studying, Beth?
I'm studying agriculture, but now I'm transfer course of cruise ship.
Sorry?
Cruise ship.
Cruise ship. Oh, okay, cruise ship. Okay. Well, why did you move to or change your course?
Because of transportation so far.
So that means you're studying nearby here from the city center.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have a boyfriend? Are you in a relationship? Are you dating what? Or you're single?
I'm single.
How long have you been single?
It's about 7 months.
And 20 years old. So I asked her because this is the second time I asked her, "Babe, can I interview you?" The first time she doesn't want, she's very shy. She said, I said, "Ate, what are you gonna ask me?" And I just gave her the first question and she was like, "Ate, I don't know what to say." So I was like, "Oh, I thought you're no boyfriend since birth," because there's so many Bicolanas from here from Naga that they will always say, "No boyfriend since birth." So I was like, "Oh, maybe she's also one," because she said, "Ate, I don't know what to answer. I don't know." So she was asking her sister, her older sister. She's there, but thank you so much. We really do appreciate your time there and your honesty. Very shy, but we made it. Thank you, babe. You're welcome. Hi, everyone. Hopefully, we have earned your subscription. And also, if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube member where members have access to over 100 exclusive videos. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye-bye.